Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beyond Jamaica's white sand beaches and turquoise waves? Every sunrise brings a new legend, every shadow whispers of hidden worlds. Beneath every colorful surface, there's a secret waiting to be found. Why does Jamaica feel so alive? Almost magical. Let's step into the real Jamaica, a place where paradise and mystery dance together, day after day. Where is Jamaica really? Trace your finger across the map of the Caribbean, and you will find it. A green jewel south of Cuba and west of Haiti. It is not the largest island, but it holds a world within its borders. Jamaica stretches 146 miles from east to west, yet every corner feels like a different universe. Mountains rise like ancient kings, covered in green velvet forests. The Blue Mountains stand tallest, their peaks lost in clouds. Valleys dip between them, full of rivers and wildflowers. The north coast faces the open sea, with bright beaches and coral reefs below. The south is quieter, shaped by rolling hills and hidden coves. Jamaica's climate is warm and kind, kissed by the trade winds. Rain falls mostly in May and October, feeding the forests and filling rivers. The air is heavy with the smell of earth and fruit, sometimes sharp with salt. Every season brings a new color: emerald forests, golden beaches, or the silver-blue shimmer of rain. This landscape shapes life here. It inspires poetry, music, and dreams. Every mountain, every river bend, every lonely beach holds a story waiting to be told. Step into Jamaica's wild places. Listen to the rush of water. The island is famous for its waterfalls. Dunn's River Falls tumbles down white limestone, a living staircase surrounded by ferns. Reach out and feel the spray on your skin. YS Falls hides deeper inland, with 7 levels dropping into cool pools, shaded by giant trees. The forests are alive. Giant bamboo groves whisper in the wind. Mahogany trees stand silent, witnesses to centuries. The cockpit country is a maze of green hills and caves, home to rare bats and the secretive Jamaican boa. In the Blue Mountains, mist floats between coffee farms and tree ferns, while hidden streams sing their own songs. Jamaica's wildlife is as surprising as its land. You may see the Dr. Bird, the island's national bird, with tail feathers like ribbons and wings that hum. Tree frogs call at night, and mongoose scurry through leaves. Manatees glide through the rivers, while colorful reef fish dart in the sea. Some creatures are found nowhere else on Earth. Nature in Jamaica is not just scenery, it is a living force, wild, gentle, and mysterious. To walk here is to walk in wonder. Jamaica's history is a storm of adventure and struggle. Long before Columbus arrived in 1494, the island was home to the Taino people. They fished the rivers and carved their dreams into stone. Their world changed forever with the arrival of Spanish ships and, later, English colonists. Pirates once ruled these waters. Port Royal became known as the wickedest city on earth, where fortunes were made and lost in a night. Earthquakes and storms swallowed much, but legends remain. In time, sugar plantations brought wealth to a few and suffering to many. Enslaved Africans brought their strength and spirit, surviving against impossible odds. Rebellion echoed in the mountains. Maroons, escaped slaves, built free towns hidden in the hills. In 1838, slavery ended. Struggles for justice continued, led by heroes like Marcus Garvey and Nanny of the Maroons. In 1962, the Jamaican flag rose over an independent nation. Today, Jamaica's story is still being written by its poets, athletes, and dreamers. Each chapter is marked by courage, pain, and hope. The past is a shadow, but the future shines bright. Jamaica is a land of faith and ritual. At dawn, church bells ring in villages and cities. Most Jamaicans are Christian, but their beliefs are touched by Africa, Europe, and the Caribbean. Revival ceremonies blend gospel hymns with drum rhythms. Rastafarian communities gather to chant, burn incense, and seek truth. Everyday life is full of small rituals. Children greet elders with respect. Neighbors share food, laughter, and stories. Before meals, many pause to give thanks. Funerals are not just moments of grief. They are celebrations of life with music and memories. Religion shapes the island's music, language, and art. It teaches patience, courage, and peace. But Jamaica's spirit is bigger than any one faith. It is found in kindness to strangers, in the joy of a street dance, and in the careful tending of a garden at sunrise. To know Jamaica is to feel its spirit, a quiet strength running through every heart. Jamaica's buildings are stories in stone and wood. The Rose Hall Great House stands on a hill, its white walls shining in the sun. Some say it is haunted by Annie Palmer, the White Witch. In Kingston, the Grand Devon House recalls days of sugar and silk. Spanish Town Square holds the echoes of governors and rebels. But honestly, the real Jamaica hides in smaller places. Look for tiny churches with handmade altars, or old market halls crowded with laughter. Bright wooden houses lean into the wind, painted in every color you can imagine. Town squares are busy with music and chatter, while quiet courtyards offer shade and secrets. Architecture here is always changing. Old and new blend together. Modern hotels rise beside ancient forts. Every building, big or small, tells a story of people, of hope, survival, and dreams. Hidden gems are everywhere. Sometimes the most beautiful place is a tiny cafe, where the walls are covered in local art, and the breeze smells like roasted coffee. Jamaica lives in its senses. The smell of jerk chicken cooking over pimento wood drifts through the air. Spicy sweet patties are sold on every street. Ackee and saltfish, the national dish, glows yellow and red on the breakfast table. Each meal is a mix of Africa, Europe, India, and China. A history on a plate. Music is the pulse of daily life. Reggae beats echo from radios and open windows. The sound of Bob Marley's voice floats above the city. Dancehall music shakes the night. In the countryside, old mento songs are sung with laughter and clapping hands. Sport is everywhere. Cricket games fill grassy fields. Children play football on the sand. Sprinting is a way of life. Jamaica is home to champions like Usain Bolt. Art and fashion are bright and bold. Murals paint city walls, while markets sell dresses in every color. Every day is a festival of life, loud, joyful, and full of color. This is Jamaica's true heartbeat. Jamaica's cities are worlds apart, each with its own spirit. Kingston, the capital, is bold and restless. Its streets buzz with music, politics, and art. Galleries and museums tell the island's story. The waterfront is alive with ships and street food stalls. Yet, in the hills above, quiet gardens wait for dreamers. Montego Bay is the city of sunshine and celebration. Tourists fill its beaches, but locals know secret corners, quiet coves, old churches, and markets full of stories. Night falls, and the city glows with music and laughter. Ocho Rios is the gateway to waterfalls and rainforests. Cruise ships glide into the harbor. Markets overflow with crafts and spices. Here, city and jungle meet. Life moves at its own pace, mixing adventure and peace. Each city is a window into Jamaica. They share the same sun, but each tells a different story. Why visit Jamaica? Not just for the beaches, though they are beautiful beyond words. Come for the surprises, the hidden waterfalls, the songs sung by strangers, the taste of fruit still warm from the sun. Come for the stories, old and new, told in every language of the heart. This is a place where every sense awakens, where laughter and music fill the air, where history, nature, and hope live side by side. To walk in Jamaica is to feel alive, to see life in full color, to hear it in every beat. Jamaica changes those who visit. You leave with memories, yes, but also with questions. What other mysteries wait in this wide world? What other places sing their own secret songs? As we say goodbye to Jamaica, let us carry its wonder with us. The world is full of stories, and the next one is waiting, just beyond the horizon.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.